Hi guys, and in this video I'll show you how you can scrape all the data from YouTube or any other website. So in this situation, what I need is I need to scrape all the data of the videos that is being, that is coming up when I'm searching for something. So for example, if I'm searching for an ISM book, so I want to scrape all the data, all the video links here. I don't need the shorts link. If you want, you can have this. So it all depends actually. So in this situation, what we can do, so there are other options where you can install Python and you can use Python to do that, but I do not want to install any software on my computer and I want to do it very easily using a browser. So I'm using Firefox. So what you need to do here is you need to search for link gopher, and then you have to look for link gopher Firefox. Then you have to go to the website and you have to add this plugin onto your Firefox. After you install this plugin onto your Firefox, then the option will come up over here. You can see there is this link, and then you can extract all link, only domains, whatever that is there, you can extract the link. So in this situation, I went to YouTube and I searched for the search term that is NASM book. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page that when there is no more results. So how do you do that? You can easily do it like you on your mouse there is a the wheel. You click on the wheel, then you can scroll up and down. So I clicked on it and I dragged it down, and it will keep on dragging until the bottom of the page when there is no more results. So after that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click here on the plugin, extract all links. Then all the links will come up. So the channel link, I don't need the channel link here. I don't need the playlist link. I don't need shorts link. I don't need those links, right? What I need is watch. From watch I am going to use them. So if I click on it, you will see that the video links are going to come up. So these are the video links that are going to come up, and obviously whatever purpose that you're going to use this for, you have to sort it out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select all the links, and I'm going to select all the links here. And I did some research, and then I was able to find out that okay, I have around 754 links. So if I go up and if I start you know selecting all the links here, you can see I've selected all the video links here. So I can extract them, and there are near about 754 links which are there. And if you search for something which is more generic, then you might get more results. So this is how you can extract all the link, YouTube video link without installing Python. You can easily do that. I hope this video was useful. I'm actually making this video for myself. Later on, if I forget, I can refer to this, refer to this video, and then I can get it done again. So thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I hope it helps. Bye.